Hello guys, welcome back. This is a new website. You can put your faucetpay email address in here and then click this one. You can make it, and if you didn't have a faucetpay wallet address, you can click this one or the link of faucetpay in description. There's a lot of people making their Bitcoin, pay them to faucetpay. And you can see this in pending, this withdrawal, this all withdrawal is complete, and this is the timing of the complete withdrawal. And just I click this one. Okay, available coin, I have 2 coin, and referral is a 30% referral coin you can earn. And this is the all task available offer walls you can complete. I just click this one. The first one is the faucet. Just click faucet. You can claim 1 reward available, claim 20 times. It's no timer right now. I just click recapture and just click claim. Okay, it's after 10 minutes you have 1 time to claim. The next way is of offer walls. You can complete offers. Okay, in here this is all offers available. In here you just click one of the offer and you're going to complete it. Okay, it's in your choice you want to complete or not. The next way is a referral. You can copy your referral link to paste your friends, and the friends come here, join, and they start earning, they pay you. This the leaderboard for the winners. Okay, this is a leaderboard. I don't know what's this contest available in here. I don't know what's the contest. Didn't tell me what is this contest available to a lot of people participate and pay them Satoshi. The next way is a withdrawal. A minimum withdrawal amount is 150 Satoshi. Okay, right now is 1 available Satoshi 1 in faucetpay. I can withdraw this much, and this is the in faucetpay available balance is 90. The minimum balance I withdraw, this is the minimum balance I withdraw to faucetpay. This is the minimum balance, and this is my own balance. They show you the minimum or your own balance, so you can withdraw this amount or not. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. This is the best way to earn, but I have a one way. This is just faucet. You complete the faucet, you can claim your faucet, your available coin, and you can exchange the coin to Satoshi. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.